So step one, talk to customers. This really comes out, this is probably the most common point of failure that I experienced building those startups is founders would come to me with this brilliant idea. They really didn't want to talk to anyone about it. They wanted to just build the thing in secret and then do this big reveal and be coronated as a genius entrepreneur. And what we found is that it was just really inefficient. We spend months building the product only to release it and realize no one wanted it. A good example is worked with a couple of German fellas who had this idea for an app called For and Me. It's kind of a meetup app where you say, hey, I'm playing Frisbee at the park, and 4 people could join you to become friends. They were expats living in the Bay Area, finding it hard to connect with other people. And they really did not want to talk to anybody about this idea before they released it. So we spent 3 months building the app. We went to Launch Fest, that startup launch festival down in San Francisco, largest startup launch festival in the world. And they set up a booth, and they finally started talking to customers that were coming by the booth. And the customers were telling them, like, wait, who the hell am I going to meet on this thing? Like, wait, is this a dating app? What? For and Me? Is this some kind of weird dating app? No, it's just for friends. It's friends only. So that was the first time they were getting actual feedback from users. And one investor even came by and was like, oh, you're doing a micro meetups app. And that word, micro meetups, oh, yeah, that's what we're doing. And it's just such a shame because they could have gotten that feedback 6 months earlier